Hi and welcome back to the channel. Now it's only going to be a short video this, but I've received an accessory from a company called EVBase that I didn't realise I needed until I received it. So I wanted to come and tell you all about it. So please stay tuned and I'll show you and install it in a moment. If you've watched any of my Tesla Model 3 videos, you'll know I think the inside of this car is pretty practical. You've got nice big door bins, you've got an average size glove box, but then you've got these incredible spaces in the middle, center console. So you've got this, I've got an extra storage tray in there, but if you slide that out of the way, then you've got loads of space down there where I keep my sunglasses. This tray is available on Amazon, by the way. It comes as a pair with this one, which is in the second armrest, which I'll lift out of the way. You can see there's even more storage space down there. So there's lots of practical cubby holes within the Tesla Model 3. But what there isn't is a dedicated place to put your sunglasses, which is why mine just live down there. Whereas in a lot of cars, you get a nice fitted unit here that allows you to store them. And thankfully, a company has come up with an idea to be able to retrospectively fit one. So EVBase have sent me this, and I'm quite excited about it. This is why I wanted to make this video and show you. So inside here you have a sunglasses holder, a retrofit sunglasses holder for a Tesla Model 3. So I'm going to quickly install it and show you. So inside you've got the installation tool, which we will use in a moment, no doubt. Now the way it works is if we go back up to here, you can see that it literally just fits into the gap there alongside the lights, and then clips up at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and install that now. To get that under there, we're just going to pinch that gap just a little bit and then slide the piece into the gap, which is just gone in. And then on the other side, exactly the same, so it's already in. And then at the top, let's just check it's central, which it is. At the top, we just prise this open a little bit, and then we just push until it clicks, and that's it. It's installed. And then to use it, you just push it open. The whole thing's got an Alcantara finish. Inside is also soft line to protect your lenses. So if I grab one of my pairs of sunglasses, we can just pop those in there, lens down, click it up, and you're done. And there you have it. A genuinely useful accessory installed in an otherwise vacant space in 30 seconds. I think that's brilliant, and that's a genuinely useful bit of functionality. Thanks so much to EVBase for sending it through. I really do appreciate it. And if you think this would be great for your car, if you follow the link in the description below, you can go and browse all their products, and there's a discount code in there. So go shopping, see what would enhance your car. Speaking of enhancements, I do have lots more accessory reviews coming. I'm really quite excited about some of them. They look really, really cool. And hopefully you'll join me on the journey. So please, quick, like, subscribe. I'll see you very soon.